Yeah. What do you mean, man? Union Road and Upper York Street. Watch the gully. Gully come over fully.
When I hear, brother, look how long me I shout the dog. When I gonna have some gear, brother.
Tropical Storm Elsa on Sunday brought heavier rainfall to Jamaica, flooding parts of the Caribbean island nation. The center of the storm is located near Jamaica, about 80 kilometers north of the capital, Kingston, in the direction of Cuba. Weather along the southern parts of the east coast of neighboring Cuba also began to deteriorate. The National Hurricane Center reported a maximum wind duration of about 100 kilometers per hour with stronger gusts. The storm brought heavy rain up to 40 centimeters to Jamaica, which flooded part of the country. The Jamaica Meteorological Office said a tropical storm is expected on the island on 4th of July, with heavy rains in most areas, as well as flash floods in lowlands and flood-prone areas. Some increase is possible tonight as Storm Elsa approaches the south-central coast of Cuba, the National Hurricane Center said in a statement. However, as early as Monday, when the storm crosses Cuba, a gradual mitigation is predicted. Tropical Storm Elsa is forecast to cross central and western Cuba by Monday and then head towards the west coast of Florida on Tuesday.